Hi everyone, this is Henri. Welcome to Job Quest Unveil. Let's dive in and learn something new, BigQuery. If you're new to this SQL, the BigQuery is one of the products of Google. Not to mention that the SQL is the bread and butter for the everyday data analyst roles, meaning that in every job interviews you will need it, and you need to answer the basic questions at least from the interviewers for the data analysts, data scientists, data engineers, and all the related roles. SQL, or the query language, has many dialects and many platforms to run the queries, such as dbeaver, Oracle, SSMS, or Microsoft SQL Server, and so on. So I found the BigQuery is one of the best platforms for the beginners to get started and learn how to query the databases. So let's dive in and get started. Okay, BigQuery. How can we get access to the BigQuery? If you can see, I will share this link actually to the BigQuery sandbox, and you will hit this blue button, go to the BigQuery, and it takes you to the platform. It is on the cloud. It is not on premises or the server. So the BigQuery is nothing but the SQL on the cloud. It shows your schemas and the tables here. Let's say here I've created a schema called Henri, and Henri has 3 tables: product, user, activity, and users. Okay, not to mention that you can simply disregard this message. Actually is dismissed. And in order to be safe, I recommend you to go to the mode of incognito. I will put the shortcut Control-Shift-N for you in order to use the BigQuery and incognito actually mode. So let's have our attention to the tables and schema. Imagine that I would like to create another schema called Anna here, let's say. I left click on it. Actually, I click on the create dataset. I put the dataset ID as Anna. I leave the other settings as a default, multi-region US enabled. You don't need to enable this one, and create the dataset. Creating the dataset or the schema, as you can see, Anna is now created on the left part of my screen, and now I can create the tables inside the schemas. So SQL, or structured query language, is the language of creating working with the database and querying in a relational database. So you need to have the tables in order to call the data and relate those fields. I'm gonna explain everything in details. So creating the tables, as you can see in the schema Anna, you can create the tables by clicking on it, and it says create table. Then it pops up the area that you can create the table. What I suggest is uploading the CSV files in order to create the tables. Upload from your computer. Then let's go to the CSV file. Okay, so imagine we would like to create a table for the social network, and we would like to have a table of 2 columns only: user ID and registration date. So what I do is creating the CSV file that one column is called user ID and the second is registration date. And I put some sample data in it. Actually, I can create, let's say, just random numbers. One for the first user, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I will organize this one more. Put like this. Registration date, I can say today's date is 12/28/2023. Then I can maybe just randomly put it like this. I know that looks crazy, but it's just for the purpose of learning. So I do have this one and I'm gonna save this one as the CSV file on my desktop and call it users and save. Use both. Okay, let's get back to the BigQuery. Okay, welcome back. I'm on BigQuery again. On the upload, I choose the browse and selecting the desktop users.csv. I put the auto detect. I name my table as users and create table. Let's see if this works. Yes, it is created, and now there is a users. Now let's go to the query and tab. Okay, we are on the right section to write the actual queries. Let's get started with select. With select command, you can select the items from your table. I would say select everything. Everything in the SQL is the star asterisk. Everything from the table name is users, but the system needs to know where is it located. It is located under Anna. So I would say users. Here, users, and let's see what it happens when I say select everything from users. Obviously, it is asking you to give him some hints where this table is located. You need to say, okay, select everything from the schemas. Schema is Anna. And before, what is the root for this section? Getting back to the query from absolute, correct? Absolute. And Anna, this is the full address, correct? Then users. And all done. You need to see the user ID and registration date down here. So this is where you write your query, and these are the results of your query. As you can see, we have 2 columns and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 rows. Okay folks, that was just the beginning. I would like to keep it short for those who are beginners. And I would like you all to leave me a comment and give me some feedbacks and how you feel down there. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and see you in the next chapter for the lesson number 2 of the BigQuery. Thanks for watching.